Hello and welcome to How to Play Martinetti, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Martinetti. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 or more players. To play, you will need 3 dice, a playing marker for each player, and a Martinetti board. You can print out this Martinetti board through the link in this video's description. The object of the game is to be the first player to move their marker around the board. A marker can advance to the next number in sequence when the number is rolled by the player. The number can be rolled by one of the dice or by combining 2 or 3 of the numbers rolled. Red will go first and rolls all 3 dice. Red rolled a 1 and is able to move into the 1 space. When a player has a roll that advances their piece, they get to roll again. Red will roll all 3 dice again. Red gets a 2 and is able to move into the 2 space. Red rolls again and is not able to advance to the 3 space from this roll. Play moves clockwise to green. Green rolls the 3 dice and is not able to advance. Play moves to blue. Blue rolls a 1 and a 2 and is able to advance. Blue rolls again and is not able to advance. Play moves back to red. Red rolls a 1 and a 2 which can be combined to advance to the 3 space. Red gets to roll again but cannot advance. Play moves to green. Green has multiple rolls in a row where they can advance. Green will continue to make rolls. Note that dice can only be used once per roll. Here, green rolls a 2, 3, and 5. The 2 and 5 are combined for 7 and green advances to the 7 space. Because the 5 was already used, it cannot be combined with the 3 to move green into the 8 space. Players continue to take turns rolling and advancing when possible. The first player to get to the ending 1 space wins the game. Green rolls a 2 to move to the 2 space and gets to roll again. This roll gives green a 1 to win the game. That wraps up How to Play Martinetti. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.